So, whoa. So you walk in. It's a mirror. Closet. Pretty big closet. Got your coffee maker. Kitchen. Not kitchen. Bathroom for real. Decent size. Shower. Well, the shower head's not that great, but it is what it is. King size bed. Big screen TV. Little desk. Don't look at me, we just got in a flight that was super late. Let's see what the outside looks like. There's a lock. Oh. There's no view.
That's a partial. Oh.
Oh my gosh. You guys. There's our view. Not too bad.
I'm not gonna go sit down.
Why?
I am petrified of heights.
Are you just getting scared?
Yeah, I'm like afraid that I'm gonna fall.
We're walking on the, we're like holding the railing. Ryan, are you okay?
Yeah. I don't know how Tim Tracker can do that. Like
how can you sit like this? Like, look at, that's just high. Like, ridiculous.
Well, he does one of these numbers. Like, in one of his videos, he went like this.
I just did that. Hold on, no, please don't drop it.
Yeah, no.
That's the room. Probably gonna freshen up and see what there is around here. There's some little cool shops. It's a big, big hotel. You'll definitely get lost.
Yeah. They have Louis Vuitton. I kind of want to go there just to jack with people's time.
Look at that, that's somebody's view right there.
That must be nice.
That's a cool view.
You can kind of see the mountains.
It's because of the hurricane, like, it's really super cloudy. Alright, well, let's go back in.
Dude, alright. So, this is how old school this place is. Check it out. A PS3, guys.
Oh, it is a PS3, it's not even a PS4.
And it's corded.
Really?
They haven't had a cord. Oh no, it's just charging. Huh? I'm a nerd. But seriously, guys. Holy cow. PS3. We're like on PS like 5. Actually, there's no such thing. But still.
I don't think the sheets are, or is it just a reflection?
Everyone thinks the sheets are dirty.
It could be, you never know.
I think it's just a shadow.
Let's darken this place up to cool it down. This is what it looks like completely dark, Ryan. Look at how dark. Isn't that crazy? That's dark.
I think it's nap time.
We don't know what time it is.
Because it's like 10 o'clock over there in Omaha right now. Actually, 9:30.
Is it? 9:30?
Yeah.
So we're a little time. Alright, that's the room.
Alright, guys. Signing off. Bye.
You should say something.
Oh, you're blurry. So this is the village. I guess it's like a super pool or something. I'm not sure. Amber's messing around on Snapchat. It's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon and it's not really bright enough for you to need sunglasses.
So we can take the car out and go around too.
Amber found flowers.
On the tree. They're following the area. It's awesome.
So I think our plan this again.
Yeah.
What, we're gonna go eat and then walk on the beach?
Okay. Sounds good.
Where are we gonna eat?
There's a good place that has Hawaiian. We haven't had Hawaiian yet.
No?
First night.
Yep. All these flowers are cool too. More flowers on the ground.
I wonder if I can get a good one.
So we want to give a review about the Hilton Hawaiian Village. Yeah, we got a good deal on Travelocity, which is great, but I would not stay here again.
It's not, I mean, you pay extra for the ocean view. I mean, yes, you get an ocean view, but you have to go out in the balcony and turn all the way around.
Well, we had a partial, but no, they nickel and dime me for everything. The shopping's kind of cool. They have a couple decent restaurants, but
Hawaii's expensive. I'm sure you know that.
But no, this hotel just is ridiculous. It's $40 a person per day, plus $40 for parking per day.
And $35 resort fee per day.
Yeah, it's just ridiculous.
Because we rented a car for pretty good. We got a Mustang convertible. We're like, oh, that's a great deal. And then we get here, and it's parking, but it's garage parking, and you have to walk across the street. So if you have a lot of luggage, it's a little way to carry it.
And valet parking is $50, so it's like $7 more. But if you're driving a rental, do you really want to chance them damaging the vehicle? I don't know. That's your choice. But
I mean, we did get a king bed. I mean, it's
the
not.
bed's kind of messy, but I mean the room's not horrible.
Especially if you're staying for like, I don't know what, like we stayed 5 days or less. It's not that bad, but I mean, we kind of regretted not staying at least a night in Aulani.
Yeah. Well, that's what we said last night. It's like we should have just canceled our reservation here and gone over. And I really got sunburned.
Yeah. I covered mine up with a little bit of makeup, but.
But no, I think that's one regret too, is not forking out the extra grand or two to stay at Aulani, but we're also Disney people, so that might not be attractive to you.
Yeah, I mean, and then just traffic here. Just keep in mind, it does take a while to get anywhere because of traffic. And then if you miss an exit, you have to go all the way around. Basically, we learned that a few times.
Well, yeah, I mean, so we went. It takes an hour to go 27 miles.
Yeah, so definitely plan your trip, but also keep in mind that there's traffic everywhere, basically.
And we even went to Walmart, and you had to find parking there, and that was a pain.
So there's like parking in Sam's Club, but there's parking for people, and then you just have to go up and down every single time in the elevators, and then you're in a parking garage no matter where you go here.
Yeah. But all in all, though, it was a good trip. We had fun. We actually don't fly out till 10 o'clock tonight, so we still have about a half a day ahead of us.
We just gotta check out of our hotel and then kind of spend the day doing whatever. So I mean, it's good to rent a car too, because then you can just hang out and do whatever. But there's also transportation. I think there's like 7-day passes. There's a whole bunch online if you just Google it.
Well, and some of the like Pearl Harbor and all that kind of stuff, they'll take you to them. So it's just depending on what you do. If you want to rent a car, If not, that's your choice. But no, we will see you when we see you guys, and yeah, have fun. Make sure you have a nice adventure.
How do they do it? Because my fingers look weird.